Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start directly on the TV. Power it on and hold the remote ready because timing matters when menus disappear. Press the Home button to open the Smart Hub, then navigate to Settings. Once done, go to General, then Network. This path is the only way to reach network controls on most Samsung models. You're opening the panel to choose Wi-Fi or wired options, which is necessary to check connection type, security settings, and to run a built-in connection test. Once in Network, choose Open Network Settings so the TV can list available options. You'll see wireless and wired. Pick wired if you have an Ethernet cable for stability, otherwise select wireless. Next, the TV scans SSIDs, select your network and enter the password with the on-screen keyboard. Make sure your remote's directional pad moves the cursor smoothly. If you need advanced settings, choose IP settings to switch DHCP versus static, so the TV uses the correct address and DNS for streaming. After you connect, stay on the network screen and run the connection test so the TV verifies IP, gateway, and DNS. This explains why you might still lack internet. Once confirmed, return to Smart Hub and open an app to validate streaming. If it fails, reboot the router and the TV, then retry, because many failures are transient. Make sure you re-enter the Wi-Fi password exactly, and if problems persist, plug an Ethernet cable to rule out wireless interference as the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.